Yes, now we can discuss about good subject, that is magnesium battery. What is magnesium battery? How it will be useful? Those benefits we can discuss now. Magnesium batteries are batteries that utilize magnesium cations as the active charge transporting agent in solution and as the elemental anode of an electrical cell. Both non-rechargeable primary cell and rechargeable secondary cell chemistries have been investigated. Magnesium primary cell batteries have been commercialized and have found use as reserve and general use batteries. Magnesium secondary cell batteries are an active topic of research, specifically as possible replacement or improvement over lithium ion based battery chemistries in certain applications. A significant advantage of magnesium cells is their use of a solid magnesium anode, allowing a higher energy density cell design than that made with lithium, which in many instances requires an intercalated lithium anode. Insertion type anodes, that is magnesium ion, have also been researched. Primary magnesium cells have been developed since the early 20th century. A number of chemistries for reserve battery types have been researched, with cathode materials including silver chloride, copper chloride, palladium chloride, copper iodide, copper thiocyanate, magnesium dioxide, and air. For example, a water activated silver chloride magnesium reserve battery became commercially available by 1943. The magnesium dry battery type BA 4386 was fully commercialized with costs per unit approaching that of zinc batteries in comparison to equivalent zinc carbon cells. That batteries had greater capacity by volume and longer shelf life. A magnesium air fuel cell has a theoretical operating voltage of 3.1 volt and energy densities of 6.8 kilowatt per kg. General Electric produced a magnesium air fuel cell operating in a neutral NaCl solution as early as the 1960s. The magnesium air battery is a primary cell that has the potential to be refundable by replacement of the anode and electrolyte. Magnesium air batteries have been commercialized and find use as land-based backup systems as well as under sea power sources using seawater as the electrolyte. The Mark 44 torpedo uses a water activated magnesium battery. Secondary cells overview. What is secondary cells overview? We can discuss. That is, magnesium is under research as possible replacement of improvement on lithium ion battery in certain applications. In comparison to the lithium as an anode material, magnesium has a theoretical energy density per unit mass under half that of lithium, but a volumetric energy density around 50% higher. Dear friends, I am also preparing the notes without missing the options to explain you. That is the information. So I am also preparing the notes By that notes only I am able to say to you. In comparison to metallic lithium anodes, magnesium anodes don't exhibit dendrite formation, which may allow magnesium metal to be used without an intercalation compound at the anode. The ability to use a magnesium anode without an intercalation layers raises the theoretical maximum relative volumetric energy density to around 5 times of that of a lithium ion cell. Additionally, modeling and cell analysis have indicated that magnesium based batteries may have a cost advantage over lithium due to the abundance of magnesium on Earth and the relative scarcity of lithium deposits. However, observation of instabilities in the discharge state and uncertainties on the role of water in the electrolyte limited progress was reported. The first successful rechargeable cell was reported in 2000, that is the year, based on Chevrolet type M06S8 cathode with a magnesium argon hollow aluminate and THF based electrolytes. This is the information relating to magnesium batteries. So by all these YouTube videos, especially regarding to magnesium batteries, I want to give an idea to startup companies to start any new thing. Already we know about batteries, olden time tubular batteries, then next acid batteries, then it is ion batteries are coming, and then it is coming the generation of magnesium batteries. So all these will increase the productivity regarding charging and recharging also. By that economy will come, by that prosperity will come, by that everyone will enjoy the fruits of new technologies. That is I want to explain you. Wishing you all the best.